We are talking of the office, that the person.
Motion was introduced.
You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all. Because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa Office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? So kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh, may Bratinela pa? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Panglabing 7 taong ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Nolly Castro, when the Vice President was Binay, when Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kaagad eh. Wala man lang...
We can read the records. No, he did not introduce a motion.
Nag-motion siya ngayon.
But it's...
Parliamentary muna. Parliamentary muna. That is just the first thing is that is the manifestation of Congressman Dante Marcoleta, and it should be answered by the members. If the motion, then after that, Marcoleta will vote that motion.